Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome or welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making a chef salad. This is sort of like a kitchen sink salad where the ingredients within this recipe will always satisfy pretty much any craving you might have. So let's get started. All right, let's dive right into this recipe. Basically, all you need to do here is chop up a bunch of vegetables and some deli meat, and you have a chef salad. So starting things off, we're going to dice one celery stalk into thin slices. Next up, we have half of a green pepper that we want to remove the seeds as well as thinly slice. Next, we'll need a fourth of a red onion that's been thinly sliced as well. We're going to take half of a large English cucumber, peel it, and then thinly slice it as well. We're going to chop first one head of romaine lettuce into small pieces. And then we're also going to take half of a head of iceberg lettuce, chopping that into similar size pieces as well. We're going to need one large ripe tomato that we want to cut into thin wedges and remove the seeds as well. Next, you want a 1/4 pound's worth of Swiss cheese that's been sliced into about a 1/4 inch thick and then cut into strips. Similarly, we're gonna need a 1/4 pound's worth of smoked turkey, deli meat that's been sliced about a 1/4 inch thick and cut into strips as well. Finally, we're gonna need a 1/4 pound's worth of Black Forest ham that's been sliced about a 1/4 inch thick and cut into strips. Now separately, you want to bring a pot of water to boil on high heat or 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. And then you want to reduce the heat to low or about 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius to ensure the water is no longer boiling. And you want to use a skimmer to place 4 eggs into the water. Increase the heat back to high or 450 degrees Fahrenheit and boil the eggs for 14 minutes. While the eggs are boiling, you want to prepare an ice bath and set that aside. After the 14 minutes are up, remove the eggs from the water and place them in the ice water bath. Once the eggs have cooled completely, peel them and slice them into quarters. You want to place all of these ingredients into a large bowl and toss them until they're all evenly dispersed. Now you want to add as much of a lemon balsamic vinaigrette as you want to the salad. I like a light coating or dressing for the salad. You can buy a lemon balsamic vinaigrette. I also have a recipe, so if you guys want me to share that, let me know down in the comments. Now just season the salad with salt and black pepper to your own personal taste. Toss this once more, and with that final step, this salad is ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you made a chef salad right at home. You can also add bacon bits to the salad for some added texture and flavor. But when you do try this recipe at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this salad. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. And feel free to share this recipe with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I try to make a delicious oatmeal cookie recipe. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. You can always check out more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.